G'day, welcome to the Tech Math channel. I'm Josh. By the end of this video, you'll be able to work out multiplication problems just like these ones in your head, faster than you can do them with a calculator. This trick is the second part of a series looking at instant mental math, where truly you'll have people stumped about how fast you are multiplying. So in this particular video, we're going to be looking at multiplying numbers in their teens. Numbers like 18 multiplied by 13, 16 multiplied by 19, 15 multiplied by 17, or even going up to their 20s here, 21 multiplied by 14. So let's have a look at how this trick works. We'll look at a nice, easy example. We have 13 multiplied by 14. The way we do this is we break this into separate parts. We're going to work out the tens digit first, and then we're going to work out the units digits. So we do this by looking at the units digits all together. We have, for 13, we have a 3, and for 14, we have a 4. They're the units digits. What we do to get our tens digit is we add either 13 to 4 or 14 to 3. It gives us the same result. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. This is a tens digit, so we multiply this by 10. So 17 becomes 170. So first off, we've added. To get the next part of our answer, the units part, we just multiply the two units together. So we have 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. We add this on, 170 plus 12 is 182. So there you go, a really simple trick, right? And as I said, you can do this faster than using a calculator. If you like this trick, remember, hit the like button and maybe have a go at a couple of the examples that are coming up right now. So let's have a look. We have 18 multiplied by 13, 16 multiplied by 19, 15 multiplied by 17, and 21 multiplied by 14. So let's start with the first of these, 18 multiplied by 13, where we have the units of 8 and 3 respectively. So 18 plus 3, we get the tens part of our answer, which is 210. 18 plus 3, 21, times 10 is 210. So plus 8 times 3, which is 24. So what do we get? We have 210 plus 24. We have our answer of 234. Cool. Did you get that one? Well, let's have a look at the second one here. 16 multiplied by 19, where we have the units of 6 and 9. 16 plus 9 is 25, so that becomes 250. Plus 6 times 9 is 54. Add those two bad boys together, you have 304. Awesome. 15 times 17, we have 5 and we have 7. 15 plus 7 is 22, which becomes, 220. Plus 5 times 7, which is 35. This is equal to 255. All right, you're going 3 for 3 so far? All right, let's have a look at this last example where we go into the 20s. This is not strictly a teen number at all, is it? So I'll show you how we work with this. What we do to do this one is we're going to treat the 21 here as 10 plus a units of 11, okay? So we're going to have the units of 11 and 4. All right, let's work it out as before. So 11 plus 14 is 25, or 21 plus 4 is also 25. So this becomes 250 plus 11 times 4 is 44. Yeah, you got the answer. 250 plus 44 is 294. And there you have it, the second trick in how to mentally multiply faster than a calculator. You like that one? Well, remember, slam down on that like button and maybe check out in the description for more mental math tricks. Look at the playlist that's in there. And also, big shout out to my subscribers and my patrons. If you wish to support the Tech Math channel, there's a link also in the description on how you can become a patron of the Tech Math channel. Anyway, that was trick number 2. Hope you liked it. We'll see you next time. Bye.